Hey guys, what we got going today is actually a quick little video on how to hang outdoor party string lights. What we've got here is we bought some eye hooks and we went ahead and got a couple of quick links, kind of put them together. I'll show you what those look like here in a quick second. But yeah, here's a quick final product of what we've kind of got going on. Nothing too fancy. You can see we originally had some zip ties up there for a temporary until we got it all right down and correct. But yeah, here we go. I'll give you a quick show of what we've got. That way you can do it the professional way and keep it up there pretty permanently. So I went ahead and got those eye hooks secured in there and all their anchor points. And then these outdoor string lights have a nice little hook on here that it just goes right in through that quick link. And while we put that take that quick link, just hook it right around that eye hook, and then we'll go ahead and screw it together. That way it's has no way of becoming loose. And there we have it. We got a pretty good stronghold there. That one's not going anywhere. The only one we'd like to have to keep an eye out is make sure these little rubber hooks stay on there pretty good with the string lights, but like I said, those come with it. So yeah, this is how we've done it, and hope that helps you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.